is the most popular items tonight. Okay, so no ice at the back. This one is the
And that we slice it and push it in the direction of the boat.
So you need to okay? This one is also on sugar, it's only a regular water to remove the acid and the fibers. Sometimes you acidic,
Not right now. Not right now. We're watching something.
okay? So you have to design the pineapple to serve for the party. So no need bottle plate like this. Okay, so this is the plum powder, which you care for any sour fruits like mango, oranges, or apple, but especially to the pineapple to make it sweeter. So this is a plum fruit. So this one is a $7.95. So that one is the most popular item here. So this one is okay for like your ice cream, popcorn, or your honey toast. So for adults, it's okay for the mom, for adults. Okay? So this one is good. So this one is not spicy, more sweet and a little bit salty. So this one is a $7.95. So if you buy that one, any cashier to help you. So if you want the most popular items, you have to buy for 3D gummy bear, pineapple gummy, chocolate covered pineapple. So that one is the most popular item. So if you buy any cashier to help you. And then if you buy the whole pineapple, so the price in the board, one pineapple is $9.95. And then if you buy to go, box to go, the pineapple is a 24 plus. You have to bring the front cashier, the red box, hand carry. If you buy the 27 pounds, the big box, that one is the okay. That one is $59.95. And then if you want to ship directly at your home, except Alaska, to pineapple is $56, including pineapple and shipping. 6 or 7 pineapple, $88. So the ship date, every Monday, Tuesday, 2 to 3 days at your home, but except Alaska. So if you want to ship, you have to go any cash her to help you and then fill out the form. Yeah, shipping by UPS. So this one is the tropical gold pineapple. And then I give you a sample. So this one is so good. Okay? And then thank you for watching. And then mahalo. Thank you.